Hey, this is Richard back at you. Hey, we did get lucky and we got our official Dirtybird face masks in. This is a black one here. It's pretty nice. We got a red one here too. They're pretty nice too. These are really nice material and stuff behind them.
Really soft.
Yeah, soft. We do have some in here at the shop. It is easier to order from our YouTube channel. You can get on there, and I think they look pretty good. Matter of fact, the old Dirtybird face mask. So, if y'all would like to get some, we do have a few here at the shop. And then, like I said, we do have a black and a red one too.
You can get them on the Precision Transmission YouTube page. Easy to order off of there.
Yeah, there's some other things on there too if you don't want to order too. We got more things coming too. We're just a little slow. We've been really busy at the shop.
So that's what they look like folded up. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt you.
And they'll come sealed in a plastic bag like that.
Yeah.
And where you can't, where they're not been touched or anything. So if y'all like one, come by the shop or get on our YouTube page.